Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly, and today our topic is how to enroll Rigi user from Facebook lead ads lead. So here I'm running a yoga studio and I'm promoting my yoga studio through Facebook lead ads. Also here for every new webinar and my new classes I'm using Rigi. So here what I want to do is that whenever I'm going to receive a new lead through Facebook lead ads for my yoga studio, then automatically by using all the detail of that lead, I want to automatically enroll a new user in my Rigi app. So here for doing this automatically, what I need to do is I need to simply build a connection between Facebook lead ads and Rigi. So for building this connection, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing software for automation and integration. Now with Pabbly Connect, whenever I'm going to receive a new lead through Facebook lead ads, then automatically by using those details, I will enroll a new user in Rigi. So how I'm going to build this connection? For that, let me take you to my computer screen. I hope all you can see my computer screen, and today we are going to see that how we can enroll Rigi user from Facebook lead ads lead. So suppose I'm running a yoga studio and I can set up Facebook lead ads to attract new members for classes or workshops. So once someone submits their information through the ad form, their contact details can be automatically sent to Rigi, where I manage the class schedules, memberships and client progress. So this integration means that I don't have to worry about manually entering new leads into my system and I can immediately follow up with them. So this will be offering special promotions, class schedules or a personalized welcome message. So here what I want to do is I want to simply connect Facebook lead ads with Rigi, and now what will happen is that whenever I'm going to receive a new lead through Facebook lead ads for my yoga studio, then by using all the detail of the lead, we can add those lead and we can use those lead details to enroll a new user in Rigi. So here we will automatically enroll a new user in Rigi from Facebook lead ads lead, and we can do this by setting up an automation between Facebook lead ads and Rigi with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now with Pabbly Connect, I can build this connection between Facebook lead ads and Rigi without any coding and programming skills, and here simply by using Pabbly Connect, whenever I'm going to receive a new lead through Facebook lead ads for my yoga studio, then automatically I will enroll a new user in Rigi by using all the detail of that lead. So here for using Pabbly Connect, I need to first open a new tab and I need to search for pabbly.com/connect in my browser. And it will take us to this landing page of Pabbly Connect. Now here in the landing page, I have these two options of sign in and sign up for free. If you don't have an account with Pabbly Connect, then you can just click on this sign up for free button and it will take only 2 minutes of your time and you will get 100 free tasks every month. Or if you already have an account or you are an existing user, then you can just click on sign in and you will get to see this page. So these are all the apps that Pabbly offers and we are going to use Pabbly Connect here. For that, I just need to click on this Access Now button under Pabbly Connect. And it will direct us to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Now here in the dashboard, what I need to do is I need to create a new workflow, and for that I'm going to click on this Create Workflow button and this window will pop up. Now here I need to name my workflow, so I'm going to name it as my objective, which is to enroll Rigi user from Facebook lead ads lead. Now what I need to do is I need to click on Create and it will take us to this most important window of our workflow. And in this window, we have these two boxes of trigger and action. So trigger and action are the two main principles on which our workflow works on. And trigger says when this happens, action says do this. So trigger is going to be the first step that will get executed in our workflow and action is just going to follow that. So here in my workflow, I need to first set up my trigger, and here I can only set up single trigger step and multiple action steps. So here for setting up my trigger, what I need to do is I need to search for my trigger application, and here my trigger application is going to be Facebook lead ads. So I'm going to search for that and I'm going to select Facebook lead ads here. Now I have to give a trigger event, so I'm going to open this tab and new lead instance will be my trigger event. So I'm going to select this. And now I need to connect Facebook lead ads with Pabbly Connect in my workflow. So I'm going to click on connect. I will click on add new connection and here I need to click on connect with Facebook lead ads. So I'm going to do that. And now here I need to first click on continue. And I'm going to again click on continue. And here I have successfully connected Facebook lead ads with Pabbly Connect in my workflow. Now here we can see I have these two tabs of page and lead gen form. Now here for selecting my page, I need to take you to my Facebook account. And here on my Facebook account, we can see I have this particular page for my yoga studio where I'm running my ad campaign. So here this is my page of the yoga nest, and in this particular page, I'm running my ad campaign, and through that ad campaign, I'm going to receive new lead. Now let me take you back to Pabbly Connect. And here my page is already selected, but if your page is not selected, then you need to open this tab. And here in this tab, you will find all the pages that you have connected with your Facebook account. And you can select any particular page that you want to use, or you can select the page where you are running your ad campaign. So I have selected my page, that is the yoga nest. And now I have to select my lead gen form. So here for selecting any particular lead gen form, you need to open this tab. And in this tab, you'll find all the lead generation forms that you have created for your ad campaigns in your Facebook page. And you can select any particular form that you want to use for getting the lead details. And here I'm going to use all lead gen forms. So I'm going to select that. And now here I have this important note that says, please note that after clicking the Save and Send Test to Quick button, you will need to generate the sample submission of your lead ad form by clicking on the preview form button and filling out the form. Make sure that the lead generation form is live before making the sample submission. So here what we need to do is we need to first click on Save and Send Test to Quick button. And now here we need to make sure that our lead generation form is live so that whenever we are going to receive a new lead through Facebook lead ad or we are going to generate a new lead, then we will get that response here in Pabbly Connect. Now here we can see it is waiting for webhook response. So for getting this webhook response, I need to generate a new lead, and as I'm going to receive a new lead for my yoga studio, then automatically I'm going to get that response here in Pabbly Connect. But right now I don't have any live campaign running on my Facebook page. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to generate a sample submission. So for generating the sample submission, I'm going to take you to Meta for Developer. And here in Meta for Developer, I need to go to Resources where I have this option of Developer Tools. So I'm going to open that. Now here in Developer Tools, I need to scroll down and I need to use this particular tool of Lead Ads RTO Debug tool. So I'm going to open that. And now here we can see I have these two tabs of page and the form. So here I need to first select my Facebook page that I've selected in Pabbly Connect 2. So I'm going to open this tab and I'm going to select my Facebook page. So the yoga nest is my Facebook page. So I'm going to select that. And my lead gen form is already selected. Now what I need to do is I need to generate a sample lead. So I'm going to click on this preview form button and my form will open up. And as I'm going to get my lead gen form, then I need to fill the dummy details so that I can create a dummy lead. Or as I'm going to submit that form, then automatically the response of that lead will be sent to Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to click on this preview form button. And here this is my lead generation form. Now here I have to fill all these details. So first I have to give the full name, and here the full name is going to be test example. Now I'm going to give the email address, and that will be testexample@pabblytudes.com. I'm going to give a random phone number. And here I have added the phone number. Now I'm going to give the city, and here my city is going to be Bhopal. Now here I have added all the required details. Now I'm going to click on continue. I'm going to click on submit. And here I have successfully submitted my form and I have submitted this lead. Now here I have generated this new lead. Now let me take you back to Pabbly Connect. And here in Pabbly Connect, we can see I have received this response. So here in this response, I have the full name of my lead, that is test example. I have the email, that is testexample@pabblytudes.com, and I have the random phone number of my lead. Also here I have the city, that is Bhopal. So here we can see that these were the details of my lead that I have filled in my lead gen form. And as I have submitted my lead gen form, then automatically I have generated a new lead and I have received that lead detail here in Pabbly Connect. So here I have received all the details of my lead, and now that as I'm receiving the lead details from my Facebook lead ads, now here I want to use all these details of my lead, and by using these details, I want to automatically enroll a new user in Rigi. So for that, I need to set up my actions tab. So I'm going to open this tab. And here I need to search for my action application, that is going to be Rigi. Now I'm going to select that. And I'm going to give my action event. So I'm going to open this tab. And here import user is going to be my action event. So I'm going to select this. And now I need to connect Rigi with Pabbly Connect in my workflow. So I'm going to click on connect. I will click on add new connection. And here for connecting Rigi with Pabbly Connect, I need to give a token. So here for getting this token, I need to first log into my Rigi account where I will find my dashboard. And in dashboard, I will have the option of integrations. And in integrations, I will find the option of Pabbly. where I have to enable that option, and I will find my key that is going to be my token. So for getting this token, I'm going to take you to my Rigi account. And here this is my dashboard. Now in the dashboard, I'm going to go to integrations. And here in integrations, I have this option of Pabbly. So I'm going to open this. And here we need to make sure that we have enabled this option of Pabbly. And after enabling this option, we will see this Pabbly key. So this Pabbly key is going to be my token for connecting Rigi with Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to copy this key. I will go back to Pabbly Connect. And I'm going to paste that key here in this tab of token. Now that I have added my key, I'm going to click on save. And here I've connected Rigi with Pabbly Connect. Now for enrolling a new user, I have to fill all these details. And here what I'm going to do is, I'm going to fill the detail from my response of Facebook lead ads. And I'm going to use all the response of my lead. And by using those details, I'm going to fill all these tabs. So simply by using my response from previous tab, and I'm going to use those details to map those details here in these tabs. So for that, I need to use mapping. And what mapping is a technique through which I can retrieve the data from the previous steps, and the data that is changing will get replaced with the new data in the real time. So for mapping, I need to click here. I will open the response of Facebook lead ads. And here I need to first give the full name of my leads. So here this is the full name of my leads. So I'm going to map this. And now similarly, I'm going to map the email address. So I need to click here. Again, I have to open this response of Facebook lead ads. And here this is the email address of my lead. So I'm going to map this. Now similarly, I'm going to map the phone number. Now here I have this tab of product hash, and here I have to enter the product hash for which I want to give the access here. So here what I need to do is I need to give the product hash or product key for my course or my product where I want to enroll this user or I want to create this user for. So here for getting this product hash, what I need to do is I need to take you to my Rigi account, and in this I will go to my products. And here in my products, we can see I have all these products or all these courses. Now here what I need to do is I need to use any particular course where I want to enroll a new user. So here what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this random ABCD course or this particular product where I'm going to enroll a new user. So here I need the offering key or the product hash for this particular product. And here I have this offering key tab here. So first I'm going to make this visible, and I'm going to copy this offering key. I'm going to go back to Pabbly Connect, and I'm going to paste that product hash here in this tab. Now here I have added my course ID or my product hash or my product key. Now I need to give the validity in days. So here I have to enter the number of days to give access here, and I can use -1 for the lifetime access. So here I can give any number of days that I want to give as the validity to my user. And here I want to give lifetime access, so I'm going to type -1. And now I have the option of send email. So if I want to send the email to my newly enrolled user, then I can select this option of yes. And if I don't want to send the email, then I can select no. I'm going to select yes here. And now I have filled all the required details. Now here we can see I have mapped these details. And as I have mapped these details, I have made all these details dynamic. Now what is going to happen is that every time I'm going to receive a new lead through Facebook lead ads, then automatically all these details that I've mapped here will get replaced with the new lead detail in the real time. And for every new lead that I'm going to receive through Facebook lead ad, I will enroll a new user in Rigi. So I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to click on Save and Send Test Request button. And here we can see I have received this response. So this is a positive response, and this means that I have enrolled a new user in Rigi by using all the detail of my lead from Facebook lead ads. Now to check whether I have enrolled a new user or not, let me take you to Rigi. Here I will go to user management, and in user management I have this user list. Now here in this user list, what I need to do is I need to search for my user that I have just enrolled. So I need to search that by the phone number. So I'm going to type the phone number of my user. And now here in Rigi, we can see I have enrolled this new user that has the name of text example. And here I have the phone number and the email. So this is the random phone number of my user, and I have the email that is textexample@pabblytudes.com. So here we can see that successfully I have created or enrolled a new user in Rigi, and here I have enrolled this user by using all the detail of my lead that I have received through Facebook lead ads. So here I have successfully enrolled this user by setting up this automation between Facebook lead ads and Rigi. And now what will happen is that every time I'm going to receive a new lead through Facebook lead ads, then automatically by using all the detail of that lead, it will enroll a new user in Rigi. So for every new lead that I'm going to receive through Facebook lead ads, a new user will be enrolled in Rigi. So here I have successfully created this automation just with the help of Pabbly Connect. So let me take you back to Pabbly Connect. And here with Pabbly Connect, I have connected Facebook lead ads with Rigi to enroll Rigi user from Facebook lead ads lead. So let's summarize what we did here. So first I have set up my trigger, and my trigger application was Facebook lead ads, and my trigger event was new lead instant. Then I have set up my actions tab, and my action application was Rigi, and my action event was import user. So this is how I have successfully created this workflow, and you can also create this workflow by following all the steps that I did in my workflow. And I am also going to put the link of my workflow in the description so you can check it out from there, and thank you for watching this video. Not just these applications, you can automate and integrate a lot more applications like this with Pabbly Connect. If you want to reach out to us, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any issues or queries related to our workflow, then you can check the forum link. And if you have any issues related to the pricing of Pabbly Connect or Pabbly, then you can check out this link. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel.